I'm not exactly a Christmas cracker. I'm more of a seasonal slacker. I come off like a less green Grinch, and I won't bite my tongue, I won't budge an inch. 'Cause there's so much to organize, so many names to memorize, and herein the problem lies, I can't be bothered. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink and be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. Have you got time for me? Push your buttons, complaining about all these nothings, but I can't socialize all week. That's too much time for me to be acting sweet. 'Cause there's a growing shopping list and deadlines that I've missed. I'm a grump, you get the gist. Yeah, I can't be bothered. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink and be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. I know I'm acting like a party pooper, and you put up with me like a trooper. Can we fall into a drunken stupor? Can we fall into a drunken stupor? Just wanna lie with you on the sofa. Who's gonna buy the presents and decorate the tree? Ain't got time for Christmas or your family. Who's got room for carols to drink or be merry? Ain't got time for Christmas. Have you got time for me?
Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance we've had with decorations. And my bag is taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about is realized. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my day. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let me be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about is realized. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with you.